Hello, everyone. Today we are going to delve into a fundamental aspect of English language teaching, the parts of speech. Understanding these grammatical building blocks is crucial for effective language instruction. First and foremost, let's talk about nouns. Nouns are the words that serve as names for people, places, things, or ideas. They provide the foundation upon which our sentences are built. For instance, when we say dog, we are naming an animal, and when we say book, we are naming an object. Nouns encompass everything from concrete objects like table to abstract concepts like freedom. Moving on to verbs. Verbs are the engines of our sentences. They are action words that tell us what someone or something is doing or the state of being. For example, run represents an action. Eat is another action. Study is an action too. And is indicates a state of being. Verbs give life to our sentences, allowing us to express actions, conditions, or occurrences. Now, let's explore adjectives. Adjectives are words that provide descriptions and details about nouns. They modify or enhance the meaning of nouns. For instance, when we say happy, we're describing a feeling. When we say red, we're describing a color. Adjectives bring vividness and specificity to our language, allowing us to paint a more detailed picture. Adverbs are next on our list. Adverbs are versatile words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They answer questions like how, when, where, and to what extent. For instance, quickly modifies the verb run to tell us how the action is performed. Very tells us to what extent something is true. Adverbs add depth and precision to our sentences, giving context and nuance. Now let's discuss pronouns. Pronouns are indispensable for avoiding redundancy in our sentences. They take the place of nouns, making our speech and writing more efficient. Instead of repeatedly using a person's name, we can substitute it with a pronoun like he, she, or they. Pronouns streamline our communication. Finally, we have prepositions. Prepositions are small but mighty words that establish relationships between nouns and other words in sentences. They help us understand where or when something is happening. Words like in, on, under, and between guide us in understanding the position or location of objects. Prepositions are vital for conveying spatial and temporal relationships. In conclusion, mastering these parts of speech is crucial for both language learners and teachers. They form the foundation of language, enabling effective communication. When teaching, it's essential to impart a clear understanding of these concepts to students, as they are the keys to constructing coherent and meaningful sentences in English. So, as educators, let's empower our students with this knowledge, enabling them to express themselves fluently and accurately in the English language.